Hey, my loves, this is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my heavens, we are already on day 2 of the Advent Calendar series. This 12 Days of Glam is already starting off so very special, and I have been geeking at all the comments that I received on the first video. It's so nice to see so many people return that really love this series. So without further ado, let's get into this gorgeous box and find out what day number 2 has in store. Every year I always read the write-up, and I was so excited for the first video and I left it out. So as we unbox day number 2, I wanted to read that out for you. So this Advent calendar is limited edition, and it says, "Our Advent calendar is your gateway to holiday magic, with a new surprise behind every door. Unwrap the magic of the season with Madam Glam's limited edition Advent calendar. Behind every door lies a full-size gel polish, each handpicked to make your holidays sparkle. It's back for its 6th year, with 12 days of fabulous colors and surprise shades, perfect for crafting festive manicures. The box is your gateway to endless joy and shimmer. Kick off the Christmas countdown in the most glamorous way possible. The Advent calendar contains 12 new full-size products with the following formulas: 4 cream gels, 1 milky white rubber base with glitter, 1 glittery no-wipe top coat, 2 glitter gels, 2 cat eye gels, 1 milky gel with flakes, and 1 shimmer gel. All the bottles are full size 15 ml. Y'all, I'm freaking out. I'm sorry I had to go through that because I was just stunned. Gooped, gagged, my wig was snatched, especially when they started talking about these full-size items. So today's gorgeous red, called Fireside Embrace, is the perfect red for the holiday season. So I thought, what better way to showcase this red than to do peppermint swirls in 3 different ways. Now I'm so excited because the very first time I did a peppermint swirl was last Christmas, and it was a nailed it with Mama Does Nails, and I had so much fun. But it was this peppermint, kind of like a lollipop, and I have never done peppermint nails. So actually I saved a tutorial by Tim's Nail Studio, and he showed 3 different ways, starting off with an X, almost what looks like a star, and then like a 5-point star, I believe, and then a 6-point star. So what I thought was very interesting was those were the perfect guides so that you could follow and be able to create the most perfect swirls. Now throughout this Advent calendar series, we are going to try so many fun Christmas designs. And again, I mentioned this in the first video, if there is any holiday designs that you would like to see, please comment down below. Because we are going to go all the way to the North Pole with this series, and we are not going to stop until we cover all the bases. So though this is the classic peppermint swirl, there is still 3 other designs for peppermints that we're going to get into in another video. I'm also going to be doing a detailed snowflake video where we can go through different types of snowflakes. Because typically there's this one dot snowflake that I see, it's gone viral, it's everywhere. But there is so many other snowflakes that you can do. So we are definitely gonna do all of that magic, and we are not gonna stop until we make Madam Glam and Santa very proud. So as I was mentioning about the points, this one is the 5-point. What I think is so fun is if you remember those little peppermint swirls you get, none of them are perfect. Each swirl is different, and it's about getting and capturing that vibe. So you don't have to worry about it being crazy perfect. Just have fun with your swirls, and you will be so amazed at what you can create. But before I start geeking and freaking out, I have to mention one of the best finishes of this design is using the velvet matte top coat. I can't get over how much it makes it look like real candy, and you just want to bite into these things. By the end of this design, I was losing it. My partner goes crazy for anything mint, so when I finish these, she came over and she's like, please do this on your nails, like now. These are edible. She was losing it. So I knew at that point, mission accomplished. I made some very, very convincing peppermint swirls. So these are the first two ways to do the peppermint swirl. And then we're gonna go into the third way. And what I really love is that each of these achieve a different look. So depending on what vibe you're going for your set, you can do all of them, you can do one of them. I just love how versatile they are. Oh me, oh my, I am geeking out though. The color story already for this advent calendar is so delicious. We have Santa's milk and cookies with the fairy primer, and now with this Fireside Embrace, this is Santa's hat. This is the most darling red. I want to do all the holly bushes. Like, this is absolutely everything. Mistletoe, anyone? Now, it would not be an advent calendar video if I can't shout out some goodies from previous years. This liner was from last year, and I'm freaking out because they don't sell liners like this. At least they didn't used to. Now they have gold liners that are in this formula and packaging, and it is, I just think this is genius. So I thought, what better way to make this peppermint swirl shine than to shine a light on some of the goodies from the past years as well. And I love the opacity of this green. It just made it pop. But you already know, we need to add a little bit of extra magic, and this year has been my year of bling. So we are gonna top coat these babies, and then on all of them, we're gonna put a little bling center, like the center of the swirl. But I am going to be matting two of the nails because I just think the matte captures the mint the best. But again, when you pick up peppermint swirls, they do have a glossy finish. There's only a few of them. The way that they're sliced, you see that matte inside. So I tried to shine a light on both of those and just really create the most realistic peppermint swirls. There is no words, my beautiful charm squad. I have the best nail family in the universe, and I'm just geeking out because this is one of my favorite projects that I do throughout the year, and I just can't believe all of the love and support. You guys are just the absolute best. Thank you for coming in, especially those who already watched the complete unboxing. Obviously for you, this is not a surprise, but I do know there is brand new people coming in that did not get to see that and really are excited about the daily unboxings. But I did make sure to include lots of fun nail art, so even if you know what's in the box, you are not going to know what design we're going to do. And we're going to keep it fresh for all 12 days of glam. Thank you for coming in to today, day 2 of 12 days of glam, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Oh, as I always say, do all things with love. Spread all the love this holiday season. Mwah. See you tomorrow.